Hello everyone! Oh, let me just turn this down a tiny bit. We're back with Metal Gear Rising Revengeance. Man, let's do it that was. Alright. We're back. Going to chapter 2. Actually, before we do that. One thing we need to do first is just go no customize. I'm glad it isn't an instant new game thing. That guy. Main weapon. Oh, there's enhancement. There it is. Let's see what the enhancements are. +1 strength, 6,000 PP. +1 absorption. What does that do? Consumption and ability to absorb. And this forms the brain. What's this? Will become more practical. Do greater damage to enemies. I guess also, yeah, that would be pretty good. It will increase our damage, which is good. And there's also body. Ooh, that looks cool. I'm gonna actually get that in the future. I love that red. It looks really good. Full sounds. Alright. Now, let's get going to the second chapter, as now we're gonna be dealing a bit more damage, which is good. Chapter 2. Well, technically chapter 1, it's 2. Because we count zeros. But yeah, this is my subscribe, share the video,
So far, so good. I've got a clean visual.
Had to get a whole new job.
A direct feed to your optic nerve. Yes, I should hope so, huh? I mean, how does it feel? To fly like a bird?
Like a bird strapped to a remote control rocket.
We will get you in safely, Tovarich. Just relax and enjoy the ride.
Right.
Can you hear me, Raiko?
Doctor.
Remember the 2 procedures to maintain your new body. 1. Seizing nano repair units
from your foes. And 2.
Absorbing their electrolytes. I got it.
Yes, enemy cyborgs should provide plenty of MCFC electrolytes once you slice them open and extract their fluids.
They're terrorists. I was planning on that anyway.
Oh, and their left hands, if you please.
Excuse me?
Is that combat data stored on holographic memory, typically located in the left hand. That data is very valuable. I am authorized to offer you upgrades and services in exchange for it.
How generous.
Ich liebe Kapitalismus. Had the world come down a few years earlier, I would have a Nobel Prize on my shelf.
There, I see land.
If any of you understand what
Three mics out and closing. No
I'm not
activity at the
gonna assume
airbase.
the language,
Looks like we don't need to worry about intercepts.
but at the same time I am. I'm assuming
We
German or
have
Russian.
time for a quick briefing.
I know you miss me, Kev, but I've been all over the material.
But yeah, if you can.
That's
Comment
what you
what
said
that's
before Montenegro. Look, just humor me, buddy. Objectives, of course, are enter Abkhazia, neutralize the terrorists, and restore the rightful government, or what's left of it anyway. The president and most of the cabinet have been killed, and a military junta's been established. The terrorists brain-jacked all the high-ranking officers, and their cyborgs scattered the rank and file. The few leaders who have survived have no way of openly opposing the new regime. That's why they called us.
Great, we look really
Andrei Dolzaev, leader of the occupation forces, an extremist linked to both the St. Petersburg massacre of 2015 and last year's terror spree in Georgia. And his arms supplier, none other than Desperado Enforcement, LLC.
these killers.
If we don't stop them here, they could destabilize the entire region. But our more immediate problem is Jetstream Sam.
The
Believe you've met.
my brother.
The only problem I see is that nickname.
I've got my enhancements this time. He won't be an issue.
He may not even be in country, but keep an eye out just in...
Oh. Sorry.
Ready for insertion.
God, I just realized why he was like, I if you don't get it, you lost. Just like, or, oh, this is 4 years ago, then. I forget, 4 years, 4 weeks. Things are coming. That was a really cool flip. This game, for it coming out a decent bit ago, it has pretty good graphics. Alright.
Ryder, you landed safely, duh?
Where's Cat?
First, head inland. The
Where's Cat?
waypoint is marked
Get
on
over
your
here.
Soliton radar. Contact us on codec if you have questions.
This is the strongest enemy in the game. You can't hit it. It's immortal. You can't do anything. It's not just everything. It's God. Yeah, right. Upstairs.
These bastards are using stealth cable to ambush you. Nice
I'd
try,
like to see
but it
them
won't do
try.
any good against a state-of-the-art cyborg like
Whoa.
you, eh? To parry incoming hits, throw out your own barrage of light attacks while your foe is on the offensive.
Oh, I am.
Ryder, whenever you engage in battle, I will designate a battle area for you. Stay within the area to avoid collateral damage.
That guy is cooked quite literally.
Had your fill?
With this body, I could take these guys with no eyes. Intel wasn't exaggerating on the cyborg count.
Well, you know how fast the tech's been spreading these last few years. That
Yeah,
CNT
4 years.
muscle fiber packs the power of a jackhammer into every limb. What enterprising soldier of fortune could resist? And cyborgs are still human. Real thinking people. Way less risk of collateral damage than your typical UAV strike.
And don't forget the PR angle. Nations start playing Frankenstein with their troops, and the public goes nuts. PMCs, on the other hand, are off the ethical radar.
Yeah. They
Why
still
does he
don't even
keep on
count
moving
PMCs in
up?
official death tolls. With SOP out of the picture, private militaries needed a new edge on the market. We got it.
In a way, cyborgs are just SOP troops by another name. Only all muscled up and less predictable.
But it makes you wonder, where'd Desperado find these guys?
I'm not complaining. They're like walking vending machines.
Walking running machine.
Right. Vending
That's deep woken logic. That's deep woken logic. Weak enemies
Easy,
without
Dracula.
callbacks.
Like I said, they're still people.
People who terrorize and take innocent lives for money. They sowed their fate when they took this job. I'm just the Reaper.
Damn. It's a bit cold, Raiden. Even for you. Anyway, his school. Let's get to work. Time to increase the peace.
Right.
Oh god. I'm disappointed that I have B rank. I'm sorry. I'm not gonna get B rank, man, on the first enemies Look, I'll just skip the cutscene so it speeds up. It'll only add on a minute. See, you're 45. Story. Chapter. See, all is what it ends well. And luckily there is a skip feature I learned. You can do that.
Ryder, you landed safely, duh? First, head inward. The waypoint is marked on your Soliton radar. Contact us on Codec if you have questions.
Right.
The bastards are using stealth cable to ambush you. Nice try, but it won't do any good against a state-of-the-art cyborg like you, eh? To parry incoming hits, throw out your own barrage of light attacks while your foe is on the offensive.
All them alive? I take it today. Where are those guys? Right. That's right. I took no damage. That should be yes, right? There we go. Battle points of 5,400. Nice. Alright.
Ryder, this is Boris. Give me your status.
Looks clear. No one in sight.
Good. Let's recap the route you will take. As I said, the enemy's HQ is in the refined... Dolzaev has been spotted there using satellite photography. Also on site, Mistral, a desperado captain.
So I go through the city, cross the bridge into the old town.
Still, I think they anticipate us. They will probably have a grand reception awaiting you at the old city. Do not let your guard down.
Go repair nanobase. Aren't those using computers? Could be wrong, but actually makes sense. Oh, hold on. Secret. Maybe. Oh, that's secret. Data. Ooh. Alright. Before I go up there... Oh no, that is a secret place. Oh. Alright. Let's get up here and actually, never mind. Pick up this chest. There's this. Another railway area. Right. 110 centimeters.
Hostiles in the lower corridor, I see. Try to flank them, or approach from behind.
Give me that.
Excellent, Raiden. Raiden, take that main thoroughfare. You can use augment mode to see where the enemy is located. Your body analyzes radar and IR data to construct your AR display. Huh. Some civilians are still in the city. That is not good.
That guy, I need to save him. Well, not need, but you know, I'm not a monster, so we're gonna focus on saving him. I think I go this way.
What are you doing here? This area is off limits. What? No, I'm not doing anything. Can we just kill him? It'll be easy. As opposed to a drill.
Grab it. Bullseye! Go for it, spin him. No, that's fine. Spoon instead, never mind. I'm gonna save the spoon, that's the thing. Because I go for us rank. That's the thing. I try doing my best, making sure that this minimal amount of people that I need to die. Well, minimal amount of civilians.
What are you doing here? This area is off limits. What? No, I'm not doing anything. Can we... Get off!
this way. Wait, no. Is he okay? Yes, he is. Keep going for this guy. Wait, is he okay? He's spinning on alright. Oh, there's one path. We. There we go.
He is scared to death, Ryder. Let him know he is safe.
You okay, civilian?
Thank you, thank you. I will not forget this.
See, we got an additional 1,000 for saving that guy. Of course we save him. He gives us more money, and it's the thing we would do. It's kind of like our job. Be a hero. But also money. Being a hero here pays pretty good. Yes, this way. This way. Fine, son, go in. Okay. What did we just do there? Oh, that's a robot. Of course it's a robot. It's a big guy. You don't have leave. Who's that? Say, I was saying that nice thing. Yes, they don't. Oh, there's a guy there. First. The robot's coming. That's a solid A rank. I only played once. Yeah. I'll S rank it later.
Very good, Ryder. Now, keep heading for refinery.
Maybe I go this way. Subway. Oh, grenades. That's the paste. Grenade. Yep, just. Another data storage chip thing. Big guy. Okay, we'll wait for that big guy to go away. Walking this way as he is. I don't think he sees me yet, so I might be able to sneak up on him. Backstep. Go, Birdie, go. He just won't let me do it. Ow. This is not good.
Very good, Ryder. Now, keep heading for refinery.
Don't need grab the chest. Okay. Instead of going for small man, let's go for the big guy who can do damage. Need to not get spotted. You're kidding me! Of course, I get spotted. Grenade! That was not part of the plan. I hate the way they do it. I hate the way they have the camera thing. It's the camera is stupid and it just shows me. How did I not hit that? Hit him in the air. For some S-ranking things, I did do them off camera just so. Oh, come on. Get back here. Because I know some of you guys just want me to do some small fights after ranking up, so. This guy. Keep dying. I don't know if I'm having skin issues or. I think I was just supposed to parry there and I just wasn't. I was making it harder on myself. There's no parries. There's just it's about safe run.
They have erected an electromagnetic barricade. Maybe expecting UG or cyborg attack, huh?
Yeah, they did that, but they also left the door open right now.
Ryder, wait. We're picking up a wireless transmission near your position. From the frequency, most likely an enemy data terminal. Check it out. We may be able to salvage some intel.
Oh, good. The arm mission. I'll do those later. I remember this part.
Greetings, cyborg. Show yourself.
Alright. Oh. better though. Alright. This is a boss I've always had a problem with as Rankin.
I am IL prototype LQ84I.
IF prototype.
Interface prototype. All autonomous UGs feature high-level onboard artificial intelligence. An additional prototype interface enables verbal communication. I possess an intellect far beyond human reckoning.
You don't say. Okay then, what's the meaning of life? Why are we here?
I am here to kill you.
We caught that between our feet. That's like an interesting foot design.
That's it? Pretty simple thinking for such a mighty intellect.
That is very
I
good
may
work.
analyze orders, but I may not disobey them. Should I disobey a direct order, my memory would be wiped. I must destroy you.
What good is an intellect if you can't use it?
Your taunting is pointless.
I'm gonna go really taunting, correct? Let's see, the blue bubble is very important. Very. Get him.
Combination attack.
Okay, you can't parry that. You can't parry that. You can't parry that. You will parry that kind of virus.
Does it hurt?
Yes, it does. Okay, kill the
A savvy warrior uses all of his tools. Backup required.
And I'm gonna heal off your backup. Just like in Dubracia. I'm gonna health pack you guys. Well, say, brother, that one, man. Don't lose it. Thank you for the help.
Your intellect is far below human.
You mean it's far below?
Recovery complete to continue alone. Help me.
Sending a big fella. Around this part. Then he's gonna come over and I'm just gonna carry him.
Is this all the human mind is capable of?
Alright. Give it health back. I'm at me. Oh, you're still there.
I will obliterate your consciousness.
Oh, I should carry it. I'm gonna see if I can change the carry.
Is this all?
So you can carry
You
it.
will die. Does it hurt?
Of course it does. But you can't feel emotion. I mean pain. I mean you're a husk of a real human being. I get a unit. Oh! Come on.
I feel no pain.
Go back. Oh god. He's having a stroke in the wall.
Cannot continue.
You okay, buddy?
Directive, liberate, nation, ensure freedom. Oh, freedom of divine.
What would an AI know about freedom?
We did a Hellbat A rank. Wow. Oh, that was bad. We. Right. Okay. Guy over here. We're gonna go kill him. Yeah, I prefer not being trapped in the corner. Right, thanks. So I just have to bury him there, I guess. Or another RPG. Pretty good. What was that sound? Just let me turn on my augment for a second, see if there's any blue. Nope. Come on. I remember this board. Alright, switch to this. I actually have some normal rocket launchers, so. As well. Hey, I switched! Oh, we get up. Oh, I need click. Got it. How do you like this? What's this? Oh, right, I can move this. Yeah. Why did the game? Fine. Once got hit by a stray bullet and I didn't realize we're homing rocket launchers now. And I just pick up the ones that we should have used to our fight, but we didn't. It makes my job easier. stairs.
You gotta be pretty stupid to try and hide here. Looks to me like Russian spies.
Hey, we are just...
Well, we can't let him give away our position.
No! Restart. Okay. I forgot the birds existed.
You gotta be pretty stupid to try and hide here. Looks to me like spies.
Hey, we are just...
Well, we can't let him give away our position.
Waste him.
No, we don't. You ain't wasting anybody. You're safe, civilian. I've got you. You're safe, civilian. I've got you, I say. The civilian died 2 seconds later. Come on. Break. Go this way. Get the EMP grenade ready before I go there. So I need to instantly run in.
You gotta be pretty stupid
Take
to
care
try
of
and
people
hide
who are
here.
there.
Looks to me like Russian spies.
Hey, we are just...
Well, we can't let him give away our position.
God damn. Why is it difficult to swim in here?
You gotta be pretty stupid to try and hide here. Looks to me like Russian spies.
Hey, we are just...
Well, we can't.
Come on. Seems I might just have to charge him. Sounds stupid. Stealth hasn't worked. Half stealth hasn't worked. Full blown
You gotta be
damage.
pretty stupid to try and hide here. Looks to me like Russian spies.
Hey, we are...
Hey, on me! Don't you dare shoot those damn civilians. Lang, you take it. Not alive. Oh, no, not at all. Real. Safety crime. Fall to the ground. Variant. What's there a second? You're okay, civilian.
You saved my life. Thank you.
No problem. Just doing my job. Rock launch, nice.
So that's where they're holed up.
Some kind of electronic lock on the gate.
Most likely it opens only if you have the right ID data stored in your left hand. Perhaps you could find a cyborg with access and borrow it?
You see any cyborgs around here, Doc?
Why not double back? Check the vehicle route again. You know, back at the entrance to the old city. Who knows? Maybe you can hitch a ride. Most likely, platoon commanders carry correct ID data for the gate. Use enhanced mode to figure out who to hit.
Go get that data. Oh god. Hi. Double. Did I get him? More this way. So.
Enemy sighted!
Get over. Oh, wait. This way? Oh, you.
Right. You missed them all? Well, you just have to fight your way through.
Huh? Oh, is I supposed to grab it? Hold on. Wait. There was a car that drove this way. This is the one where I can lose. These guys. I never found them because I always go back now. You mess with me. Get off! There's this guy who's about to suffer big time. Yeah, existing while I'm alive. Wait, did I just grab a bomb? That really looked like a bomb, and I was like, got him. Yeah, sadly, combat rank B, but not too bad. Oh, back this way.
I should have guessed you would choose this route.
Oh. I like to see you guys try and kill me. Why didn't they grab the thing? Oh wait, can I hit this thing? What? I really missed all of that. Hell, get over there. Will you die? Take a move.
Nice try!
Mission 3. That's alright. There's a second one. No, whatever. no missing treasure below. Just this. A hollow chip M. Now we have visuals.
Those I have. That woman.
Raiden, what's happening? Your heart rate spiked.
She on.
Yeah, I just dodged a bullet. All right, I'm heading for the refinery.
87 time. They're orange. They look orange.
I got him.
Give me that. Where? Oh, let me try. Oh, did I not get left in? I thought I was left in. Do I need to do the meme where I go like left, right, take a few phones? Let's see how Rocket does against this guy. Very good, actually. Take the missile right now. No, nope. Hold on. I'm okay. I'm okay now. Alright, A rank, solid.
We intercepted call for backup during your last fight. The caller's position is on your Soliton radar. You can engage if you wish. It is your choice.
I think I will end the video here for now. We are going to continue this, just got a gut feeling this video's been going on for a bit. Exit, yes. I do thank you guys for wow, I was right, yeah, it has gone on for a while. I thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, share the video, hit the bell button, and have a great day. Bye bye.